How do you use PureAC to disinfect and mini split? This is a ductless wall mount air handler. This is a mini split behind me. We've got a lot of mold growth on the wheel, and we've come to do a maintenance. Why? Because the customer is really concerned about the mold that's growing on this mini split. And I'm going to show you that mold. I'm going to show you before and after we clean that wheel, and then I'm going to show you how to use PureAC. If you are a homeowner and you want to disinfect your mini split, you want to reduce the odor, reduce the smell, reduce the pathogens, or the mold that could be growing inside of your mini split, PureAC is the product that you need. If you're an HVAC contractor, a technician, and you offer annual maintenance to your customers, this is a product that can add value to the maintenance that you're already going to provide to the customer. And if you have a mini split that has a smell, you can reduce that smell. And you can also charge a little bit more for your maintenance calls, make a little bit more money, and offer the value that your competition may not be offering. If you want the PureAC product, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a discount code so you can get 10% off. I'm going to give you a link where you can go purchase this product. Right now, I'm going to show you the mold that's growing on this mini split, and then we're going to clean up that wheel, we're going to get it dry, and then we're going to use the PureAC product. In less than 30 minutes, we're going to disinfect that mini split with this product. And I'm going to explain to you the different sizes that PureAC has, because there is not a one size that fits all. They've got 3 or 4 different sizes, and you want to make sure that you know what to do to be able to figure out what size you need. And the reason we're doing this today is because the customer is really concerned about the mold. Her husband just had a stem cell transplant. His immunity level is very low, and she really thinks that the cause of his cough right now is from using this mini split. And she has voiced her concern, and that's when I brought out PureAC, and I said, we're going to do this at the end of our maintenance call. It's going to take about 30 minutes or less, and we're going to hope to reduce that smell, that odor, and we're going to reduce those pathogens that could be growing inside the mini split. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. I'm Tad. Let's get started. This is the wall mount air handler we're going to be cleaning. Before we use the PureAC, we're going to clean this wheel, and you can see that wheel is very, very dirty. And that is not healthy. We are definitely going to improve the indoor air quality using the PureAC and cleaning this wheel. I'm going to put a video right here. Click that link and it will show you how I clean a mini split. In the description of that video, I give you the tools and the supplies that I use to clean these types of mini splits. All right. So we get this wheel cleaned up. This is what we got out of it. Now that we've cleaned the wheel, we want to dry it out. So what we do is we leave the bag on, that way we don't spray water all over the house, and we put the fan to on. It'll open the vane, and it'll blow the rest of that water out. Now the wheel is looking a lot better. We're going to let it dry out and then take a look at it. Now look at the wheel. Nice and clean. All right, time for the PureAC. Now I'm going to go over instructions for using the PureAC product. This right here is the box that the PureAC product came in. This is a carrying case, so you can easily carry this with you to jobs. And when you open the box, you've got a quick start. This is instructions, right? Before using PureAC, turn off power to your wall-mounted mini split. Install the mount plate, which we have that right here. Remove the filter, install the PureAC, and press start. So we're going to need a wall plug, which we've got one right below the wall mount air handler. And we've got a cord. Turned off the breaker, so now we have no power going to the system. Take out the filter. Depending on what size mini split you are using the PureAC product for, you will need a different cover size. Figure that out. Take your tape measure and measure. This is 35. So you need a cover just larger than the length, or you could call it the width, of your wall mount air handler. They have 31, 37, and 41. And I'm using a 41. So I could have used a 37, but 41 is going to be fine for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is it says important, remove filter from pocket, remove and discard plastic bag and reinsert filter. So this says important, so I'm going to take and remove this, right, like that, and then I'm going to put this filter back in. So you want to make sure you do that. All right. And I'm going to install the mounting plate. All right. And it's going to be right here, like that. Take this cover, and then I'm going to slip it over my wall mount like so. And then I'm going to remove this clock. And that's going to attach right there to that mounting plate. So it's nice and tight too, so could have used that 37, but I'm going to use this right here. Plug it in. Right into the side. You see the light? Now we're going to take and press this button. All right. And that's going to run. And in less than 30 minutes, it's going to be a disinfected mini split. If you want to reduce the smell and odor from your mini split or reduce the bacteria or mold growth, check out PureAC and use discount code Taddy Digest for 10% off of your order. Check out this link right here or go down the link in the description to buy PureAC. This ozone treatment is great for mini splits. At PureAC.com, you can actually buy these covers for your mini split. Again, there's different sizes, so make sure you measure. This right here is about $179 plus tax, so it's around 200 bucks. But don't forget to use Taddy Digest code so that you can get 10% off. And at PureAC, you can buy these covers, you can buy replacement filters, you can buy replacement mounts, and you can get everything you need for your mini split to be disinfected. Check out PureAC.com, link in the description for the website, and don't forget to use the discount code. Make sure that while the green light is blinking, right here where it's green, you press the button. All right? And then it shall begin the ozone treatment. Now we can unplug it. Mini split's been disinfected. We're going to have a happy customer with better, pure indoor air quality. And now, let's take this cover off. Take that off. And then remove the mounting plate. Now I can take it. I can fold it up. And I can put it inside my carrying case. With my mounting plate. Nice. Let's go. All right, let's put the filter back in, like so. And now we can turn it back on. It doesn't work. No, I'm just kidding. I left the breaker off. Let me go turn the breaker back on. Let's turn it on cooling. 70 degrees. That sounds better. You got to make sure that you get the wheel perfectly clean, because if there's dirt on one side and no dirt on the other, it's going to have an imbalance and it's going to make a noise, and you don't want that. So now that it's cleaned, it's disinfected, now the customer doesn't have to worry or be concerned about their health. They have better indoor air quality, they have no mold, no bacteria, and they definitely have a reduction in that foul smell or that odor that they said they had. Good to go. My advice to HVAC contractors that are going to use the PureAC product to add value to the customer and provide better indoor air quality for them while they're performing maintenance. If you are using this and your customer has a single zone unit, which is a 1-to-1 head, right? You've got one unit to clean, and then you're going to use this product to do a ozone treatment on that one head. It is going to take 30 minutes longer, but you can charge for that time. If your customer has multiple heads, what you can do is clean the first wall mount air handler, and then you can install the PureAC, push the button, start the treatment, and then you can move on to the other wall mount air handlers while you're waiting and clean those wall mount air handlers. And that's how you can better manage your time, not spend as much time, and still use this PureAC product. But for this single zone unit, I spent an extra 30 minutes using this product. So I'm gonna have to charge for that time. Or if you have multiple heads, then you can structure your time better and use this in between cleaning the other heads. That's my advice for HVAC contractors. To better manage your time, if you're doing a PM for a single zone unit, clean the outdoor unit while you're using the PureAC on the indoor unit. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that if you need a mini split disinfected, that you go check out PureAC. Great product that works. Ozone technology is something that can reduce smells, that can reduce bacteria and mold. Check out the link in the description. Definitely don't forget to use the code Taddy Digest so you can get 10% off if you choose to buy the PureAC product. If you got a question, leave it down below in the comments section. Questions can become content, but if you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are. Let me know where you're from. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.